Gold.
Doc reporting.
Stop. Got your six.
Suspects have a foothold in this area and they're refusing to cooperate. Entry team, you are go
Entry
to
team to
move and
talk.
clear.
We got a wounded civilian. Sending Thames immediately.
Doc to lead. Stabilize them and we'll send EMTs.
I'm not going up against these guys.
Lead to talk. Suspect is incapacitated.
Entry team, this is Doc. Medical assistance is standing by.
Same shit, different day.
Talk. One suspect down, requesting immediate medical.
Doc to entry team. EMTs and trailers are standing by.
What have I done?
Element to talk. Suspect down.
Doc to lead. Notifying trailers.
Entry team to talk. We have one suspect down.
Element, this is Doc. Tag him and keep moving.
You gotta help me.
Turn around. Keep your hands
Hey,
up.
over here! Why are you arresting me?
Lead to talk. Searching civilian cuffed and ready for trailers.
Lead,
Turn
this
around.
is Doc.
Don't
Send
move.
him our
Stay
way.
put.
Thank God for you.
Talk. Civilian restrained and ready for transport.
Doc to Element. Trailers
Element
notified.
to talk. We have a civilian down.
Element, this is Doc. You are clear to proceed.
Blue team. Start a search.
No problem.
Police, get down!
Everything.
We're not here for you.
Get your hands off me.
Entry team to talk. Civilian good to go for evac.
Let me go.
Doc here. Continue with objectives.
Hands up, now! Get down! I want to see hands! Put your hands up! Hands up! Get down and keep your hands up! Lead the talk. Stay here, stay calm.
Doc here. Roger that, entry team.
We're gonna make it out of here.
You think we'll make it out of here?
Talk. One civilian down.
Entry team, this is Doc. Coroner standing by.
He wanted money.
Get on the ground, now! Down on your goddamn knees, now! Keep your hands behind your back.
I don't have anything. Let me go.
Element to talk. We have a civilian in our custody.
This is Doc. Trailers en
I
route.
can't feel
Blue.
my hands.
Gold team, begin a search. Secure any
get 'em ready.
contacts. All teams.
Stay calm.
What the hell is going on? Jesus, this is the real deal.
Good to go. Element to
Doc
talk.
reporting. That's how we get it done, folks. Roll in for debrief.